Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can transfer or deposit your Pi token into your OKX account. So if you have an OKX account, I'll show you guys how you can be able to deposit it right there. So it's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all, and do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Guys, let's get started. The first step you have to take is to make sure you've gotten your Pi deposit address from OKX. So you have to go over to your OKX account, then copy your Pi deposit address. I'll show you guys how to do it. So let me quickly now go over to my OKX app. Let me go over to my OKX account. So guys, once your OKX opens up, what you have to do is to tap on Exchange. You have to select Exchange. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on Exchange. So guys, now you can see the exchange platform on OKX app has opened up. So the next step you have to take is to tap on Deposit. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on Deposit. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see I have crypto assets, deposit crypto. You can see it right there, deposit crypto. So let me tap on it. So guys, right here is the next step. This is the place where you have to select the token that you want to copy its deposit address, and for this video I want to copy the Pi token deposit address. So you can scroll through now to look for the Pi token, and to find it easily, what you can simply do is to tap on the search icon at the top. You can see it right there. Once you tap on it, then you can type in and search for Pi. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Then let me go ahead now to type in Pi, P-I. So guys, now you can see the search results right there. You can see Pi there at the top. So what you can do next is to tap on it now to select it. So let me tap on Pi and make sure the network under it is Pi network. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see this notice right there. It is written deposit reminder. Make sure you only deposit Pi token via this Pi network. If not, you might be losing your funds. So guys, take note of that. Make sure the network selected is Pi network. What I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to slide through so I can continue. You can see what's written there. Slide to continue. So let me slide. Let me slide. So guys, now here is the next step. You can see the Pi deposit address right there. That's your Pi token deposit address. For you to copy it, what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see copy. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on copy real quick. Wow guys, can see address copy. You can see it right there, the address has been copied. So now let me go back now to the Pi platform to show you guys how you can use this address now to deposit it into your OKX account. So guys, now I'm back to my Pi platform. So what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see pay/request. You can see it right there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. That's the first step you have to take. So guys, here's the next step. Now what you have to do now is to tap on the second option. You can see what's written there, manually add wallet address. So you have to tap on it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Now right here is the next step. This is the point where you have to impute the amount of Pi token that you want to transfer to your OKX wallet, and also this is where you have to impute the wallet address that you copied from your OKX account. You have to impute it right there. So these are the two things. So let me go ahead now to impute the amount of Pi token I want to impute. You can see where it's written 0.0. So let me tap on it real quick. Then let me go ahead now to impute it 0. Let me just impute something. I might change it later. Then the next step now is to impute your address. You can see where the arrow is pointing. So let me tap on it right away. Then let me paste it real quick. You can see I've pasted the address now. The next step you have to take now is to tap on send. You can see it down there. But before I do that, you can see that memo is actually written there, but that's optional. For OKX, you don't need any memo. You don't need any memo. So let me tap on send right away. Well guys, here's the next step. You can see what's written there. You're about to send 0.1 Pi token. So guys, what you have to do now is to read through these details. These are the details of your transaction. You can see you're sending to that wallet address, and also the recipient is going to be receiving 0.1 Pi token, and you can see the fee, transaction fee there. So let me tap on confirm. That's what you have to do. So guys can see the transaction is processing. Let's just wait a few seconds. Wow guys, can see transfer succeeded. So we have successfully transferred our Pi token now to our OKX wallet. You can see this is that easy. So to further confirm this transaction, let me tap on close. Then let me go back now. You can see my history right there. You can see it right there, 0.1 Pi. You can see it has been deducted from my account. Let me tap on it so you see the full transaction details. Let me tap. So guys can see the transaction details here. You can see minus 0.1 Pi has been removed from my account. So guys, now this is to further confirm it, and you can further confirm it as well by going over to your OKX account. Go over to your transaction history in your OKX account, and then you see that Pi token has been deposited into your OKX account. So guys, this is how it's done. Bye.